Welcome to Pairaphrase, a web-based translation management system for enterprises. In this video, you'll learn about best practices for achieving high-quality translations using Pairaphrase. Pairaphrase gives you the ability to perform secure and confidential translations online, edit machine translations to improve quality, and reuse edited translations. This saves you a significant amount of time and money. Pairaphrase comes with tools that help you achieve high-quality translations and enhance your productivity. This includes translation memory import, glossary import, and color-coded segments. It is best practice to use these tools. Importing your translation memories means your Pairaphrase account will already be equipped to deliver high-quality translations on matches to those segments. Importing your glossary means your company-approved terms are readily available for lookup as you post-edit your translations. This helps create consistency within and across your documents. So in order to achieve the best quality translations, import any existing translation memories or glossaries you have by following these steps. First, log into Pairaphrase. Click on your name, then click Translation Memories. Select Upload a new TMX or TBX. Select the source language and target language. Select your TMX file for translation memories or TBX file for glossaries. Upload your file. Select a translation memory group. Click Upload. Your translation memory or glossary file is now uploaded to Pairaphrase. And once you've uploaded a translation memory, Pairaphrase will automatically populate any new translation requests with the translation stored in your translation memory. And it only provides a machine translation when a previous translation is not found. Once you have imported a glossary, you can look up the correct terms to use as you post-edit. To look up a term while editing, find the translation lookup box and paste the term or phrase you are looking up. If you enter text that matches a term in the glossary or is part of a translation memory, the translation will appear below the box as a glossary result or TM result. Pairaphrase will give you context for how that term has previously been used in translation memories within your account. Color coding will be applied to indicate the quality of the match. When you upload a file for translation, the segments in the translation editor will be colored green, red, yellow, or blue. These colors are important quality indicators. Green represents a 100% match, which means your translation memories have helped with all the translations. No editing necessary. Yellow indicates a 75 to 99% match, meaning that a similar text has been edited and saved to a translation memory. Only some words will need editing. Red indicates a completely new translation, which needs to be edited carefully. Blue indicates a repetition, which is a segment of never-before translated text that is found more than once in a single file or across a batch of files. And if you see a word or term underlined in purple, that means you might need to check the spelling. When you edit text segments to improve their quality, Pairaphrase auto-saves your work so you only need to save your work when you're done reviewing and editing the complete translation. Clicking on Save does three things. 1, it saves edited segments to your translation memory. 2, it saves edits to the translated file. And 3, it sends an email to the translation originator to let them know that you've finished reviewing and editing the file. When you use Pairaphrase, you experience continuous translation quality improvements, get access to a highly secure platform with robust security features, and benefit from low user cost. The more people who use Pairaphrase at your company, the faster and bigger the return will be. To learn more about using the features that power Pairaphrase, watch our upcoming videos. Just subscribe to our channel to stay tuned and like this video if you found it helpful.